Okay, welcome back guys, welcome back to our channel. Still in Tech in Asia conference, as you can see, with
Hi everyone, I'm working with Google Cloud. So yeah, I think your camera is.
huh?
Oh yeah, okay, it's working fine now. It's working fine now.
Yeah, it's already okay.
Okay, yeah. So how can I help?
Yeah, I mean like you already spoiled about yourself from Google iCloud, right?
So yeah, so with Google Cloud, right, what we're doing these days is with our startup program, we're actually working to onboard a lot of different startups to grow them into this whole startup ecosystem which Google Cloud is trying to build, right? And that's where we are giving some of our customers credits or giving them a lot of support and hand-holding them and helping them to ease off their GCP journey to see how we can actually bring them into this startup ecosystem and to actually facilitate them to grow with Google Cloud itself. So we see them as a partner and see how we can actually join in this journey together. Yeah.
So you'll be granted, as you previously mentioned, that you'll be granted like 100K for the selected one, right?
Yes, so one of our cloud startup credits as of now, right now, we are offering them a 100K worth of credits, depending on the eligibility requirement definitely. But if they are eligible, which one can actually Google from the Google Cloud Startup Program, they will be entitled to 100K worth of credits where they can actually apply for the startup program and they can use it to offset their Google Cloud usage. Yes.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's not the VC, right? It's a different type of funding. So what's the difference between the two, and how do you see industry, particularly in crypto, going forward?
Okay, so in this segment, right, I mean, from this point of view, we are not asking for anything in the sense of it's not like a VC or anything where we're not asking them for equity funding or anything.
Okay.
These credits are really just for them to onboard and to get started on their Google Cloud journey.
Yeah, that's absolutely. So Google see a potential in Web3, or it's just something else? Because as we know that the Web3 space is getting more adapted over time. So you getting you get have a a broader scale of tech in particular. Yeah, it's already. You can go on.
Oh yeah, so in the form of Web3, I mean, we do see a lot of Web3 and blockchain companies who are also making use of Google Cloud. So that's something which we are very, very excited in, I mean, in this whole industry, right? And something which we would like to see how else we can help to grow also. So definitely that's in our point of consideration, yeah.
Yeah, because you previously mentioned that Web3 is a lot of potential, but at the same time, it's not really the case when it comes to like technology, right? Because we need to like grow our business, not our business. I mean, like the business to move forward, right?
Yes, that's correct. So I mean, that's something which we like to move forward and to grow towards. I mean, but definitely, I mean, outside of Web3 and blockchain, we're also looking at a lot of different startups from fintech, for example, or even insurtech. They're all also coming in. So it's an exciting time, I think, for startups, and that's where Google is actually coming in, where the form that we have this startup credits. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's only around credit. I mean, when it comes to like credits, these differences between the VCs, maybe like we need to get like a commitment or something to get involved with the Google funding, or is there something else?
And there's actually no commitment in that sense, like what I mentioned, right? There's no need to give any equity stakes or anything. One can actually go to our website and then like find out more about the Google Cloud for Startups program. In that sense, whereby everything on that note is very transparent. What we really want to do is really to build a startup ecosystem and to help like-minded startups to actually kickstart their cloud journey. Yeah.
Oh, so there is no like ownership from Google, right? It's like give credit and then they will grow, right? As a part of the beginning of the journey, right?
Yes, so basically these credits are there for you guys to use, right? I mean, for startups to use, and then that's where what we will do is we really get started in the sense of technical support or any other startup support, whereby your startup success manager will also come in to see how else they could support you. As well, I like to mention again, there is no commitment necessary from the customer in the sense of there's no equity requirement or anything. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. So before you go, maybe one last question. What do you see the major challenge with Google getting adopted with this? Adopted Web3 or crypto in particular?
I think the industry is really nascent, it's still very new, right? And we can see in 2021 and 2020 it's really been boom time for it. Right now, I think it'll be exciting to see how we could actually scale this further and to bring it to the next level. So yeah, so that's what I'll do.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time. It's been an honor to be here, and leave a like and subscribe.